Hello friends, you're all welcome my channel. Today we gonna talk about how to make yourself poop, but before that hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll get notified when I post a new video. So, your exercise and eating habits, age, gender, and health status all affect the number of bowel movements you experience in a given day. While there is no set number of bowel movements a person should have, it's abnormal and possibly dangerous to go 3 or fewer times per week. Often, constipation causes bowel movements that are not only infrequent, but also hard and difficult to pass. This leads to excessive straining and time spent on the toilet. The causes of constipation vary. The condition may simply be due to such as things as dehydration or eating foods with too little fiber. In other, more serious cases, constipation can be the result of stress, hormonal changes, spinal injuries, muscle problems, cancers, and other structural problems affecting the digestive tract. Quick ways to make yourself poop. The following quick treatments can help induce a bowel movement in a few hours. 1. Take a fiber supplement. Fiber supplements are readily available and effective at inducing bowel movements if a low-fiber diet is the cause of your constipation. They work by adding bulk, or volume, to your stool. This helps push stool through your intestines and out of your body. 2. Eat a serving of high-fiber food. Try these foods that are high in fiber. Oats, whole grain bread or cereal, fibrous veggies and fruits, rice and beans. Be sure to drink lots of water with these foods, as it will further help push your stool through your system. 3. Drink a glass of water. Proper hydration, typically at least 8-ounce glasses of clear liquid per day, is necessary for normal bowel movements. If you're constipated and haven't been drinking an adequate amount of water, consuming a large glass of water or other clear liquid may trigger a bowel movement. 4. Take a laxative stimulant. Laxative stimulants are designed to force a bowel movement by squeezing the intestines. You can get stimulants over the counter at your local pharmacy. Some popular options include Bisocidal, Dulcolax, Ducadil, Correctal, Sinusides, Synagot. 5. Take an osmotic. Osmotic laxatives work slightly differently than stimulant laxatives. They're designed to help move fluids through the colon. Some examples include magnesium hydroxide, Phillips milk of magnesia, polyethylene glycol, Myra LAX, magnesium citrate, lactulose, crystallose. With a doctor's prescription, you can obtain higher strength polyethylene glycol, also called PEG, Golightly, Newlightly. 6. Try a lubricant laxative. Lubricant laxatives such as mineral oil add a slick coat to your intestines walls, allowing stool to move through your colon and out of your body more easily. Take mineral oil no more than 2 hours after your evening meal. Expect results within 6 to 8 hours. 7. Get in a squat position to poop. Bring a small footstool into your bathroom the next time you need to poop. Placing your feet on a stool in front of the toilet while you poop, so your body is essentially in a squatting position instead of in a seated position, can help you pass stool without straining. Lifestyle changes that can help you poop. The above advice can help encourage quick bowel movement to relieve short-term discomfort. However, some of the lifestyle changes can also keep your constipation at bay more permanently. For regularity, try to make these tips part of your daily habit. Add more fiber to your diet, with fresh fruits and vegetables, legumes, beans, and whole grains. You should consume at least 14 grams of fiber per day for every 1,000 calories in your diet. If you need to take a fiber supplement for chronic constipation, start with a low dose and increase as tolerated. For some people, a large amount of fiber can lead to bloating. Exercise most days of the week with a daily walk, jog, bike ride, swim, or other form of exercise. Light exercise helps maintain proper circulation and can keep the bowels healthy. Consume plenty of liquids, mostly water and other clear liquids, every day. Aim for at least 8-ounce glasses of clear liquids per day. Manage your stress. Never hold in your stool. When to see a doctor. Chronic constipation can make it challenging for a person to focus on their daily tasks and activities. If your constipation lasts more than a week and doesn't respond to treatment, it's time to see a doctor to rule out serious causes. See a doctor right away if your constipation is accompanied by dizziness, fatigue, cramping. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.